What's up, everybody? Ryan here. Got a no AC service call for you in Niles, Ohio. The service report stated that the thermostat is blank and the unit's not doing anything. So I'm up here now on this York unit, see what we got going on. The manager also mentioned that when the unit would run, sometimes it would sound like a chainsaw. So that doesn't sound good. So let's go ahead and dig into this York unit. And I got this thing here, so I've got a platform to stand on. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this York and see what we've got going on. First thing I'm gonna do is check for power here at the disconnect. I couldn't locate a breaker inside the store, so I'm gonna shut that down, see if we've got power coming in, see if there's fuses. If there are, we're gonna go ahead and test those. All right, guys, I got the disconnect opened up here. We're gonna check for voltage here right off the bat. And I got 210, 211, and 211. All right, so we do have power supplied to the disconnect. I'm gonna go ahead and switch my meter over and we're gonna test these fuses. And we got a bad one. And we got two bad ones. And let's check this last one. And we've got a good one. So we've got 2 out of 3 are bad. Power's off, disconnect's closed. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we can find. Well, right off the bat, nothing looks out of the ordinary. Contactors look fairly new. I don't see any bad wiring. Nothing's loose, nothing looks burnt. I'm gonna start checking these contactors, see if we got anything shorted to ground. Got my one probe on ground. Check my compressors first. Nothing. Now let's move on over to our blower motor. Oop, there we go. Condenser fan motor. So we've got continuity from the blower motor to ground. Let's go ahead and check that out. Oh my God. Holy shit. Yeah. Look at that. The whole motor. The whole motor's come loose from the mounting bracket. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, this was an easy service call. Let's see where we might have shorted out. Probably right here. Yep. Look at that. I can see bare wire from this this yellow wire right to the housing of the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and gather some info on this unit, and we're gonna go ahead and quote to replace this blower motor. I doubt anybody's gonna want to weld that back on. So let me do what we got to do. We're gonna get the info on the blower motor, the pulley. The bearings on the blower don't sound too hot. We may write up a blower rebuild on this. I'm gonna go ahead and get the fuse info. That way we can come back with fuses. But yeah, there's not gonna be any repair on this today. I'll be back with you shortly. All right, everybody, I've got all the info gathered. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and check this heat exchanger. Make sure it's not got any holes in it or anything like that. So I'm gonna grab these tools here and we'll give this thing a look. All right, guys, this thing's got a few little rusty spots on it, but I don't see anything anything bad, anything that would justify condemning this unit. It looks like it's in decent shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this panel back on. I'm gonna look the unit over a little bit more, but not a whole lot we can do. Need a blower motor, fuses, pulley, belt, and we're gonna do a bearing replacement on that blower assembly. All right, well, pretty easy call today, guys. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. blower motor's completely come loose. It was probably running and scraping, and that's where the chainsaw sound was coming from. So it's gonna be about it on this one, I think, unless I find something else. But pretty self-explanatory. Take a look at these filters. Yeah, those look good. And we'll just leave the disconnect off. Not that it matters. Look at this, guys. Gonna play. I mean, this motor probably vibrating very bad. It's got a lot of play. I can't even just spin it in one direction, so yeah, it's definitely no good. Anyway, easy call. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Pretty simple. Blown fuses, completely destroyed blower motor. Gonna do a rebuild on the bearings on that assembly, and that should do it. So I wanna thank you for watching the videos. Please hit subscribe, hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming up. Hit like, leave me a comment, and that's gonna do it on this one. I'll see you on the next one.